Hi Forex traders, it's me again. It has been time since I post something here. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share a link to others, like and comment. I just want to have this one video and it may take time. It may be a 1 hour video, it may be a 2 hour, it may be a 30 minutes, but I want to keep it clean, simple and understandable. Anyway, this is a simple strategy. It has been there, but it has been used differently, and now it is rebranded to something people are saying, oh, it's new, it is trending in the internet, CRT. But candle energy theory is not something else apart from external liquidity, internal liquidity. Yeah, external liquidity, internal liquidity. Simple start. Now another man came here and call it candle energy theory because it is simple. Before we found that external and internal liquidity, a candlestick must range and close, so that we have that range, external liquidity and internal liquidity. A CRT is basically power of 3 accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So it's not something totally different. It's something that is on one thing, but it has been rebranded from power of 3 coming to accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Now it's here internal liquidity, external liquidity. Now it's here to CRT. Anyway, you can understand it as candle range theory, or internal liquidity and external liquidity. Now, what do I mean? Yeah, every candlestick is arranged, whether daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly, 4 hour, 1 hour, and that even 1 minute is arranged, because you have even 1 second time frame. Now, when you talk about daily time frame, if you're running intraday, focusing daily, the time frame and 4 hour time frame. A daily trader focus on daily time frame, weekly, and take trade on 15 minutes. Now, for my case, I don't know where am I, but this strategy is working for me. So when you wake up in the morning, you just go to your chart, go to daily time frame. Go to where? Daily time frame. Mark the previous day high and low. Once you have marked the previous day high and low, go to your 5 or 15 minute time frame. Wait the one side to be swapped. Get me? One side to be done what? Swapped. As I've done this, I went to daily time frame, previous day higher, CRT, or previous day higher, external liquidity. Previous day higher, previous day lower, CRT, or previous day low, external liquidity. And this is the internal liquidity, the 50%. Now, here is the 15 time frame I'm talking about. But if you go to daily time frame, you will see how I labeled it. I said mark the previous day high and low, go to 15 minute time frame. Listen me clearly. Mark the previous day high and low, go to 15 time frame. Whether you are waking up at 7 a.m. Once you have done so, go to 15 time frame, wait one side to be swapped. Aside it here, I waited for one side to be swapped this way. That swapping, we have break of structure, entry. On market of structure, break of structure, entry. Yeah. So this was a liquidity swap. After liquidity swapping of the previous day higher, we enter for sell. Reason being, this was another block also here, and this was a kind of one model. Yeah. A model is a candlestick that expanded to break the structure. So this was an entry level to the sell side, targeting 50% and the previous day low liquidity. And that's what happened. After liquidity swap on the previous day higher, we took the sell to 50%, continuing to previous day low. After that, the next opening day, wait, see, this 20 28. Come on. Yeah, this 27, 28 swap the liquidity. We're trading 28. Now we're waiting for Monday because we swapped the previous day low. We are going to be bullish on USD JPY. Yeah, if possible, the whole month of April. So it's that simple. Mark the previous day high and low. Wait for one side to be swapped in 15-minute time frame. Same thing, even to 1 week time frame. Mark the previous week high and low. Wait 1 week, one side to be swapped, and that is the other side. If it's 1 hour, do the same thing. If it's 4 hours, do the same thing. That is the simplest strategy in the world you can ever get. Candle range theory. I don't know. Let us try another pair. This is USDGF. Yeah. Let us go to daily time frame. This is the 4 hour. Also normalize to consider time. What's the time are you trading? Yeah. GFTPY. Yeah. Now this the Switzerland in Japan. Let us go to 1 hour of it. No, daily time frame. The daily time frame of it. Let me remove my old analysis so that we focus with something new. Yeah, something new neat. Now this the daily time frame. This the daily time frame. This the daily time frame. And in this daily time frame, sound to be confusing, but still we could have gotten entry lower time frame, and if we saw it, we'll find it was not appropriate to get that trade, and we are not supposed to complain. Because if we complain that the candlestick didn't get swapped the way by this one, then we take the sell side. Take a look back here. What do we have? What do we have? We're having another block here. Are you seeing it? Now we are trading from that other block. Now before we say there was a liquidity swap, this one was another block. So we are trading from the other block. So nothing like a liquidity swap there unless we call this one of Monday. But let us look for something that is kinder clear that can give us what we want. This one also have not that card JPY. Not having the same Audi JPY. We don't have the same. USD. We don't have the same. Now let us use the Switzerland and Japan. Let us use this old one. This one. And this law that was not reached, but the 50% was reached. Okay, and if we complain about this, if we go to the forward time frame, we can find there was an entry using the same concept. But since I'm not that person of forward time frame, I'm a daily trader, because I don't want to Maybe that person, I'm having some fight with the market. So that the previous day higher, previous day higher, and let me get the previous day low, the previous day low, yeah, the previous day low. I'm going to look for the 50% of that range, daily range, I'm sorry. The 50% retracement of it. Here we are, coming to the 50% of it. Now I'm going to mark the 50% of that level. I'm going to mark it, and that's the 50%. Yeah. Now we have it. Let me remove the car. Now let us go to 15 time frame. That's our time frame. But before we go back to 15 time frame, you can maybe look the forward 2 hour, but goes straight to 15 time frame. Have the time frame you understand. Daily 15. This is what we marked for the purpose of our class. Yeah. Previous day high, previous day low, 15 time frame. Now, as you can see, the market didn't go back to previous day low, but after reaching the 50% is reactant. After swapping the previous day high liquidity, going back to 50%, trading back to 50% of the previous day candle range, you can see how the market reacted. This is due to what was the market targeting with that range. So there's some people will think now, oh, this candle range theory, once the other side is swapped, I said to the other side, you'll go on, because as you can see, what do you see here? Another block on the 50% with a fair gap. What the market do? Other block, fair gap too. Some people can call it a breaker block, but not. And if we tend to use if is that whatever you call candlestick, how do you call it? Indicators. They indicate like there was a fair gap in lower time frame. And after that, after market reacting from that, you can see how it went back. So if you are holding without taking profit in the 50%, I'm sorry for you. This is what you could have encountered. And once you see that reaction, can you treat this side as a liquidity target? Yeah. Once you see this reaction, this side is a liquidity that was created. Treat it that way. Because at least you could have closed with some pips. Yeah. Have closed with some pips. Now if you ask me, when the liquidity swap happened, this no liquidity swap, this is what close with a body, we call it Theta bot sub TPS. Here is an entry. For ICT traders. They see that entry. They see that opportunity. So before this concept became or whatever, your one thing on time, just know you must go through ICT. Fair gap entry. Yeah. Break of structure entry. every 15 minutes time frame, and that's what happened. And that was your sweet entry. Set your stop loss up there. What about this side of 50%? The 50%, we have the imbalance, favor gap here. You have model 1 here. This model 1 was the entry. Take that trade. Going back a close, we have model 1, there's another block, and they traded in between that other block, or in between the other block. Finally, they broke above and they went. Now you can ask me, break of structure, entry. There's an entry here. Buy. So what about this side? We have an entry, and not that, but we have an entry here. Buy. So that's how you could have gotten those entries. Yeah. And if you ask me about selling from that other block was for higher time frame, you could have used this as an entry. Smart people can see it. You can be smart too once you go through ICT. The equity swap, then entry. If that's hard for you, we have this one here. Very gap, entry. Break of structure, entry. Symbol as that. Always symbol as that. Forex is not that hard as they tell you. Forex is not easy. It's easier once you have the right person to take you through. And I'm not that right person to take you through. But it is easier. It is easier. Mark the previous day high and low. Wait for the other higher to be swapped. Take your trade and enjoy your profit. You don't have time to read more things. No. Mark the previous day high and low. Wait one higher or low to be swapped. Take that trade. Target the opposing BDRA. So for the ICT traders and the other, not exactly how it works, but the CRT is a double-edged sword for beginners. And I can tell you that for free. Yeah. Even a beginner can understand that point or can understand the strategy, it is not that holy as it seems or sounds. You need more concept, you need more confirmation. Yeah. But as a beginner, if you practice it and get it and stick to the laws of it, and you will enjoy taking the profit daily. So under the description I have a Telegram channel. There's a CRT book there. I can't explain maybe nice or good in this video, but in the book that I've written, in the book that I've provided there, the information there are very good. Some of us were good in writing, but not in good in articulation. So I believe that PDF will solve problem for many. Yeah. Consider time. You can trade CRT in time. Consider time. Consider the pairs you are going to trade this thing. It's not happening in every market, in every whatever. No. But consider time. Consider when to trade it. Consider the days. Yeah. Consider accumulation manipulation, because the candlestick that swaps the liquidity is manipulation candle. The candle that sells or buys after that swapping liquidity is a distribution candle. The range is a manipulation candle. Sometimes we may have multiple candles inside here before we swap the liquidity, even a whole week sometimes. Then on that day we swap, then it is pure on private. It always happens that way sometimes. So patience should be with you. Discipline should be on your fingertips. Physiology is everything you need in Forex. There's some other things that I can teach you and you have it, but the market will teach you better than what I do. So I would like to end it here. Until next time. Once I see the ratings on the comment and other things are more better, who am I to deny your next video explaining it deeper? Definitely I will. I'm trying to have a video of 2 hours explaining all the ICT concepts, how do they work, how you can use them, explaining all those 50 strategies. You choose one that is okay with you and you take it. I make that video. No need of we have 50 videos on our channel with stories that are not understandable. It's good we take that 2 hours reasoning to something that is constructive than 50 videos to 100 videos that doesn't make sense. So even next time you see a 2 hour to 3 hour video in my channel, don't get upset. Make sure to go through it because that video will mean a lot, will call a lot, will have a lot. Order block, liquidity swap, liquidity land, fair value gap, in fast fair value gap, yeah, CRT, whatever, everything. Even it might combine the quarterly theory so that we have everything in one thing. Macro trading will be on that video. Market maker model will be on that video. Daily buyers on that video. And many others that I can mention all at once. So let us plan for next time and let us be ready to go through that video. Subscribe, share, and comment, tell your friend what you have come through. Comment if the explanation is not good, so that in that one video we can't have much mistakes there. For those who wonder about footprint, depth of the market, radar, falling profile, open float, I will teach that in live trading or live explanation in the next 2 months. After seeing everyone here is okay with the CRT and able to use it correctly. Now, see you when you see me next time. Yeah, have a beautiful time. Okay.